In this segment, my brother Drew will be performing our instant snow experiment. For this experiment, you can either buy the MEL Chemistry of Winter Kit or gather up the ingredients I'm about to show you at home. You're going to need some water in a cup, 5 grams of a chemical known as sodium polyacrylate, which can also be called water lock. This chemical can absorb 100 to 1,000 times of its mass in water, and it's used to make some of your favorite foods like bread, juice, and ice cream.
Ice cream.
Drew, focus. You will also need methylene blue. We're going to be adding it to our cup of water because we just want to make it a little easier for you guys to see, and it'll make it nice and blue. Now, to begin. So we're going to be adding the sodium polyacrylate molecules into our cup, and then we'll be pouring the water into our polyacrylate so that you can see our snow grow in the cup a little bit better. Holy moly, that's some blue snow. Why don't you go ahead and touch it for us, Drew? Show everybody how squishy it is. Oh my goodness. It really is continuing to get bigger and bigger. Water molecules will bind to the sodium polyacrylate molecules with the help of hydrogen bonds. As a result, the sodium polyacrylate will grow in size. That's why it just keeps going and going.